We divide 984 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 8 and it is 38. 6 times 6 is 36. On subtracting we get 2. So again this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. On subtracting we get 0. So 984 divided by 6 is 164. So this much for today and thanks for watching.